Hi everyone. So I'm out here picking the Swiss chard this morning, and the one tomato that we have ready, and I thought I would show you how these are doing, if we can get in there. Everything in the little bags, and it might be time to put a bigger one. I believe this is the butternut, and we have several. There we go. There's that one. Okay, alright, there we go. And we have another tiny little one right there. I believe each one of this have about 3 or 4. If I look back here, this is almost impossible. Right there. We have the beans. These are doing quite well, even with the grasshoppers feeding on them. And we have my chocolate pear tomatoes, and the little flowers are in the little bags. And actually that has already formed a few tomatoes in there. And there's that one right there. It also has several tomatoes. I'm getting really tired of these grasshoppers. And you can see them. So, anyway, I've been picking the Swiss chard. And as you can see, I've been a little heavy-handed with it. So that's okay, there's still a lot more. Where that came from. And we have these tomatoes over here. That's a sweet potato plant. Transplanted that from the main one just to see what it was going to do. And that right there is a zinnia that broke off a main plant, and I just stuck it in there to see what it was going to do, and apparently it's growing. The ground is a little too wet because it's been raining the last 2 days. And there's the melon. This is almost ready. Let's see how far we have to go. Oh, yeah, that's just about done. There's the other one right there. And obviously there's that one. So, and the rest of them have started climbing. I don't need to guide them too much anymore. Oh, and we have a spaghetti squash here. It's really big now. Let's see if I can put my hand on there so you kind of estimate the size. It's big. It's doing well, it's healthy. And that's the rest of the plant. Right there. Oh, and I was going to show you here. Behind that mesh, you can see all the beans. There's quite a bit all the way. And I've already picked one round of the beans and I made a dish that we call Githeri, which I have not had since high school. So that was a great experience, unlike high school. Yeah, the food in high school was not very appetizing. So that's what things look like. Today is August the 9th when I'm filming this. You can see the black kale over there. We've been eating from it quite a bit. And as you can see, the grasshoppers have been doing the same thing too. We have that tomato plant right there. And it finally has some flowers. So I'm going to put the little mesh on it. It's the only way that I can get anything to grow without getting eaten up. We have another squash right there. More beans. More grasshoppers. And then we have this right here. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, there's one that I haven't put in the bag yet. And these are, let me see if I can find the tag. That's the honey nut squash. And then over here we have the zucchinis, the green round zucchinis, and we have about 5. Yeah, there's 5 of them in there, and I need to come out later and pollinate them before the flowers fall off. So I'll be back out here when I'm done with the tour. And then we have the Swiss chard in here that I picked today. And we have the rainbow one right over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dark in there. And we also have my lettuce, which has gone to seed. And I can already see little lettuce beginning to grow in there. So I'll come pick the rest of it. Yeah, it might be time for this to go. And I've already picked quite a few seed and put them away. Actually, I have them in the bag over here. All right, yeah, so there. That's the lettuce seed that I have picked so far. And I just carry it in my little basket and pick a few at a time whenever I'm out here. All right, let me show you this. Yeah, this is what the grasshoppers are doing. So I have to diligently come out here before they make a mess and pollinate anything that is opening up. Otherwise, I'm never going to get anything. And as you can see, I started chewing on that. And the next thing that needs pollinating is not ready. It hasn't opened up. Oh, well, we have a second one over there, so I might be okay. And I'm also going to spray some neem oil this afternoon. And that is supposed to repel them. And I'll let you know whether that's working or not. And the garlic, when I spray the garlic, it seems to work, but only for a few hours. And once the garlic smell is gone, they're back with a vengeance. The next thing I want to show you, and I don't know if you can see through this mesh, is the yellow zucchinis right there. And then there's the green zucchinis right over there. And we have my anti-molly cherries. I'm a little hesitant to open this mesh. Oh, there's a lot of ladybirds. That's good, because as soon as I open this, they all come rushing to get in. And there is the main sweet potato plant. And if you can see inside, you can see how far it has extended. I'm not sure you can see that. And there's the ginger plant. I have a tomato plant right over there. Right there. I have my Thai basil right there. And then we have the red crimson tomato right there. And we have more zucchini coming up over here. That's the green one. And this over here is the yellow. Let's see if I dare to open this thing. Yeah. Wait, that's the yellow. That one has lots and lots of male flowers. I don't see any zucchinis there yet, but way in the back. Without opening these too much, there's green zucchinis in the back, and obviously you saw the yellows that are way in the back over there. There's a red crimson tomato. And somewhere in here, I have a pepper. Jalapeno pepper plant. Oh, there it is. It's going real slow. It's overwhelmed by everything else. Alright. That's it for now. And I'm going to take the Swiss chard in, and then we can go look at the green stalks.